so smart because it went through all of this abuse and it
No,
was
stop.
We're just going to shut this down. We're just going to just.
And when they find out critical masses of students have anxiety, they're going to start implementing
No, stop.
recess and laughter and human connection.
You just like, oh, like, could you like,
or
no.
saying that you'll remember, and then having like a 25-50% chance
No,
of
stop.
forgetting, and then being so angry and upset.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
When it was just absurdities.
But
Now it's absurdities that
were
they
listening.
believe.
Clearly, people were seriously listening. and
No, stop.
We should have been.
Sitting on his haunches, Levine heard a soft squeak coming from somewhere to his right. Looking over, he saw the
Exit
bird
dive.
was moving.
Right, so I do every once in a while when I'm getting like at a barber. I was in New York a few weeks ago.
Red light,
and
Ron.
I asked the guy.
The priests of the different religious sects. Jefferson not only cut out
No
the
turn
Bible,
on red.
removed
And say it with me. Always keep wanting the truth.
And so now we're going to hop right into another call.
Hello, hi.
Texas. Pronouns are
How you
The
doing?
definitions of gods don't make sense and that they're contradictory.
We'll get to it at some point, but our big topic of the day is Under the Banner of Heaven, the new TV show.
Yes.
Ooh.
No, stop.
Wrote the Bible in there, right? Like, let's just get back, love and war, and we're all happy and yay, we did something good.
Wait,
No, we
whoa,
didn't.
whoa,
Other books,
whoa!
right?
That was
so I get that
red.
he's trying to make a point. I like that he's.
No, then why are we going to ban these other books? At least I think, or I feel that is the.
What's up with red light runs today? Holy shit.
So is 100%, and
Right.
even with this particular vaccine, it's not the chances of you getting sick are lessened, and if you do get sick, the symptoms are lessened.
Wait, that guy
And
was in the center lane.
The effective numbers.
It's always been, for me, it's always been July 15th is when you know who a team is. It's way too early. Look what you guys did last year.
Red light
You
run.
guys weren't that good.
Early now and to completely ignore the other issues that we have going on. It's kind of mind-boggling to me sometimes to how they can sit with those two things, even the people that do agree that there's a problem,
Red light run.
but to sit with that and say, you know, as he has shown, he is not scary. He just looks a little bit intimidating.
Ah, there's a car
You can give us a
coming.
call, the number again is 512-991-924.
To start your free trial, go to onetrium.com/Seth. Don't wait. Get your learning on
No, stop.
today.
That is a process. That is a process, and we can our bodies can shut down.
No,
And
stop.
Unless you're on a date, date and podcasting. That's the only time people don't check their phones.
All right.
If you're on a
No, stop.
Somebody's checking.
I love my friend because nobody says that. You know, it's not like you.
Really?
As far as the main consideration,
Any special protections?
yeah, you have different various.
And it's red.
Like I was trying to figure it out. And I'm grateful for the young folks figuring it out. And if you're a young folk and you're stuck, and you don't know what you're doing, and you found yourself 100 pounds overweight, or you don't like yourself, or you're in a marriage and you didn't know how you stumbled into it, reach out and ask somebody for help, because there's a different way to do this. And if you're 55 or 65
Really?
or 45 or 35,
And you're gonna turn right?
it's gonna calm down.
Yeah.
Stop. Reach over and tell
Because, you know, I looked at the notes and said, I don't know what the hell Gary cooked up for the show. So take us in.
No, there's a lot in the recipe here, Neil. Hopefully,
No, stop.
it'll all come through. You roll it down the hill.
Is it still edible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
well,
Because
that is.
you
gotta wrap it really
Really?
Oh yeah, they do. They
Screw, bro.
So place the Cotswold. It's an area of Britain
Okay.
just to the
Thank you.
southwest.
Forgive my American
it's
geographic.
Oh, you didn't stop.
I think there's a cheese.
Comes in the form of Idaho Lieutenant Governor Janice Magee,
Oh, no kidding.
who is
Oh, straight for
we've
left
talked
turn
about her
lane.
before.
manhood bends in a different direction.
What the hell's this guy doing? You did things all wrong. Stop it.
Just a little bit diplomatic.
Yeah, you know, you do what you gotta do. But yeah,
Wait, that was no turn on red.
Your call, Tangel. Thank
Sign
you
got hit it.
Yeah.
It's interesting for me to try and put myself in those kind of shoes, because in the UK it's not very common for people to be part of religious societies and stuff.
Really?
I mean, I didn't even really consider joining it.
Influent. You know, when you're a kid, you're indoctrinated. As you're older, I came to the Lord as an 18-year-old. I was
Whoa, that guy's
influenced
way
by
over the
people I
line.
respected and looked to as authority figures in my life. And so
Really?
I could have said at that point,
Nissan
my
drivers.
intuition tells me
Leads to truth.
Well, I don't, let me, before you answer that, I want you to answer, because this is for clarification.
Red light run.
High as fuck many times.
That's true. Why are all these people outside your fucking house?
Right.
Yeah. Like, where's that? That's nonsense. It actually was.
Red light run.
Exacerbated the problem.
Anyone who is oppressed for their beliefs should be welcome in this country. It should
Really?
depend on what those beliefs are. For one people to dissolve the political bands which have connected them with another, and to assume among the powers of the earth the separate and equal station.
By the living, breathing member of the Dinosauria, especially one so small. He could not take his eyes off it. Told it looked very much like a lizard. It sat up.
No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If this is Connecticut, no trailers in the left lane. No, you can't be there. If this is Connecticut, but it's not. They don't enforce it on this highway. Well, it's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you next time. Yay! Okay, bye.